We're taking a look at the latest whispers from around the NFL. Even during a lockout, PFW is providing you all the latest news, scoops, and rumors. And we start in Buffalo, where wide receiver Lee Evans is coming off a disappointing season, but the Bills have not forgotten about him. Despite some young pass catchers set to make more noise in the passing game, quarterback Ryan Fitzpatrick told a local radio station that he needs to get Evans, quote, way more involved in the offense this year. Last year was the least productive season of Evans' NFL career. When the Cardinals drafted cornerback Patrick Peterson with the 5th pick in the draft this April, they envisioned a dynamic player both on defense and on special teams. Peterson was a standout kick returner last season at LSU, and he carries all the physical tools to handle that duty in the pros. But our sources feel that Peterson will not be the primary kick returner, as that job is likely to be held much of the time by LaRod Stephens-Howling. Speaking of the Cardinals, they lost free agent linebacker Carlos Dansby to the Dolphins before last season. Dansby didn't put up huge numbers in his first season in Miami. That said, second-year linebacker A.J. Eads told our Dan Carr that Dansby was an excellent addition and that his leadership and performance were underrated last year. Eads, by the way, says he's coming back strong from a torn ACL. And in our final item of the week, #1 overall pick Cam Newton is said to be impressing his veteran Panthers teammates. Linebacker John Beeson said Newton was impressive in workouts and appears to be earning the respect the way he's carrying himself. The team is also likely to bring in another quarterback, probably a veteran, but Newton is off to a nice start in Carolina. That'll do it for this week's Whispers, and for all the best information from around the NFL, keep checking back to ProFootballWeekly.com.